Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you a platform that you can use to earn money every single day, guys, without even referring anybody, guys. So just jump to this platform and I will show you on how you can earn with this platform every single day, guys. And if you follow these steps, you'll be able to earn thousands of naira every single month. So just watch this video to the end so you can know how this platform works and how you can also withdraw your money, guys. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please kindly smash the red subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so that you won't miss any video when we drop on this channel, guys. So with that being said, let's dive into the video for today. So the platform we're going to be looking at today is called Pure Network Intel. So this platform is just for you to click the company's post, then you get paid for just doing that, and the post is just one every single day, and you'll be earning 15 naira every day by just liking their post. So let's just look at the sign up process before I'll show you how you can complete your task every day. So what you have to do is to message me on WhatsApp. My number will be in the description, so message me on WhatsApp and I will get you the code, the link, and also the coupon code that you are going to be putting below this. This you can see input coupon code. Then we'll get to that place. Let me just show you how you can complete this first step. You just need to put in your first name, your last name. This first name, I advise you put these names. This first name and your last name should be the name that appear in your bank account or the person's bank account you are going to use. So you just need to put this correct name right there. Then username, you can put your username, any username of your choice. Then your password should be correct, and also the password you can recall. And also this email, you should put a valid email and your phone number as well. So you can see this plan. They have three plan, which is the ultimate cycler and the pure post and the MLL. So what this ultimate cycle basically means just that you have to complete a cycle by referring your friends or anybody to the to register with your link, and you get commissions, and then if your cycle is complete you can withdraw the money you have earned. On this pure post is basically you earning 450 naira every single day by just liking their post, and the post is just one post. You just have to click it, then you see your money in your dashboard. Now I'll show you how it works. On this MLL plan is almost the same thing as the ultimate, but a little bit different. But you have on this MLL, once you refer, you'll be earning your profits instantly and you can withdraw it. So if you are good with it, but I advise you go with this pure post because it's easier. It does not require any referral for you to withdraw. So just if you are going for the pure post, message me on Instagram, WhatsApp. My number will be showing on the screen right here. Then you can also check the description to see my WhatsApp number. So you just click on the pure post, then you click on select skills. So once you select skills, you just need to put any skills right here. You can put any skills of your choice. It does not matter if you don't have any intellectual skills about what you are picking. So you can just put on graphics. It does not matter. So this input coupon code, this is what you are going to be paying for, this input coupon code. So just message me on WhatsApp, then you send the 25 to me, because to register on the pure post requires just 2,500 naira. So once you message me on WhatsApp, I will you will send the money to me, then I will get your coupon code from the vendor. Then once you get it, then I will just paste it right here. Then I will just send it to you, then you copy it and you paste it right here. Then you click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then you click on sign up. It's very easy, guys. So just watch this platform right here, and it's still paying and it's not even having any issues at all. So let's just enter this platform now and start making money for ourselves, guys. So you can see, click on sign up, then you direct it to your login section. Let me log in real quick and show you how my dashboard looks like and how you can earn. So I've clicked on login. You can see it's just redirect me to my my dashboard. So you can see I'm currently at pure post package. Then if you want to earn with this platform, this pure post plan is very easy. Click on these three dots right here. So you click on view ads posted, you click on it, then you just wait for it to load. So once it's loaded off, what you have to do once you click on the view ads posted, you just need to click on the first ads you see, and you have to look at the dates posted at 19th of October. So maybe you are joining anytime, then you want to complete your task. Make sure that the date you are presently at should be written down the post so that you know it's a recent post, so that you get paid. You can see this one, contact us. This is a new ads that was posted today that I'm making this video. So once you want to complete it, you click on it. You just need to click on it, then you just load up. Then once it's load up, you will see like post. You can see, just click on like post. It's very easy. So once you click on like post, you see that the thing will reload and it will come back to this same page. What you have to do is to click on these three dots once, this place again. Click on the three dots, then click on profile. That's just it. Your money will be reflected in your dashboard. I've already completed my tasks for today. That's why it's still showing 2,400 naira. So it's very easy, guys. So once you have done that, if you want, you have gotten to the minimum withdrawal, which is about 15,000 naira. So you just click on this dot right here, then click on cash out. It's very easy. So once you click on cash out, you see that you see earnings, you see points. This point is also this point, 1 point represent 1 naira, 100 points were 100 naira. So if you are having 15,000 points, is also 15,000 naira. So for instance, I have 15,000 naira and I want to withdraw. Just click on 50,000 naira. Sorry, 50,000 naira. Then I need to select my account number. I put it right there. Then I select the bank. It's very easy, and they support basically some banks. I don't think they support those banks like what's it called, Kuda people. I don't think they support this kind of bank, but they support First Bank, GTB, Polaris, Tabik, Sterling, and the various banks. So you can just choose the bank you are operating on. Then you can click on it. Then you just click on withdraw, and you can withdraw every 22nd of every month. So you just need to join this platform right now, guys, and start making money for yourself every single day. So guys, so if you want to know more about the platform, you can just click on let me quickly log into my account. So you click on profile, then you can click on about us. You see more about the platform. But if you want to reset your password, you click on reset. Then also you can also transfer it. So you can just look at it, guys. This platform is really legit, and you can jump on this platform right now and start making money for yourself, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So if you are new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification. If you have any issues at all regarding this update, please message me on WhatsApp as well, and I will always reply you. You can also join my WhatsApp group for free updates daily, so you also make money with that as well. So but you can join this platform today and you start earning money for yourself. It's very easy and very reliable, guys. So that'll be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So please subscribe, turn on the post notification, and peace.